Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I'm now dealing with ninth class maths, surface areas and volumes. This is the new chapter that I'm doing now. In this surface areas and volumes, you are going to learn about the various surface areas, lateral surface area, curved surface area, total surface area, and how to calculate them, and certain for certain figures how the formulae are developed, that also we will be seeing, and also we'll be talking about volume. Okay, so now let us talk about the first shape, that is cuboid. We will be talking about surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid. So, how will you draw this cuboid, children? Cuboid has got a rectangular base. So, usually we will be drawing a cuboid in this way. Here, this is length of the cuboid. This is breadth of the cuboid. This is height of the cuboid. So, if you see a cuboid, this is the figure of the this is a cuboid only. So the shape is cuboid. It has got a length, it has got breadth, and it has got height. So basing on this, you are going to talk about surface areas. There are two surface areas for this. One is lateral surface area. So first one we are going to talk about lateral surface area. So, what is this lateral surface area means, children? Lateral means sides. That means we should talk about surface area of this, surface area of this, surface area of this, and surface area of this. These all are lateral sides, four sides. So, let us talk about this. See, suppose if I take this surface area, this is, we have called it as a length. Always longer one is length, shorter one is breadth. Now we are talking about area of this. So this is like a rectangle. The area of a rectangle already you know that it is length and breadth. So this is length. This is considered as breadth for this. But actually for this figure, what is this? This is height. So this area you are going to get as length into height. So that is what we will be writing first. Length into height. So this is, I am writing it as first side. So first side we have completed. Now go to the second side. This is second side. In this second side, this is also looking like a rectangle. In this rectangle, if you want to find out the area, this is length. As far as this figure is concerned, this is breadth. But for this shape is concerned, what is this, children? This is length. This is considered as breadth. This is breadth and this is height. So area of this as far as this cuboid is concerned is breadth into height. So I will be writing it as plus breadth into height. Now we will go to the third figure. This is the third side. So when you go to the third side, again length and height. Already I have explained this side, first side. Same way, third side, length into height. So I will be getting length into height plus this side. What is this side? Again, breadth into height. Already we have done here. This is fourth side we will be talking about. This fourth side is breadth into height. So we will be calling it as breadth into height. So let us frame a formula for this, children. We have understood that lateral surface area means LH plus BH plus LH plus BH. Means what you are getting? You are getting 2 times LH and 2 times BH. So in these two, what is common? 2 is common, H is common. So let us take 2H out. L plus B. 2H into L plus B. Therefore, the lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to 2H into L plus B. This is the formula which you are going to use for solving the problems. Now, the second one is total surface area. Total surface area means what, children? When you are talking about this figure, this cuboid, total surface area means you are talking about lateral surface area plus area of the top and area of the bottom. So, lateral surface area as it is, I will take. So, the formula is lateral surface area plus 2 times of area of base. Why am I talking about 2 times of area of base? Because this is one base and this is the top. When you keep it like this is considered as base, this is considered as top positions. So this base and top are one and the same. Whatever is the measure here, whatever is the length here, whatever is the breadth here, same length and breadth you will be having here. So instead of writing 2 times, I'm writing it as 2 times of area of base. So base, so this is base. What is this base? Base is again in the form of a rectangle in which we are considering this as length, this as breadth. Is it not so? When you say like this length and breadth we are talking about, so this area is nothing but length and breadth. So how will you write it, children? This is nothing but lateral surface area is 2h into L plus B plus 2 into LB. Area of base is length into breadth. So 2 into LB. So let us further clarify. So 2H into L plus B is nothing but this. That is 2LH plus 2BH plus 2LB. So in all this, what is common, children? 2LH plus 2LH, this is B. Okay. So in this, common is only 2, nothing else. So we will be taking 2 common, 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. This is the formula T.S.A. of, therefore T.S.A. of cuboid is this is equal to the same formula. So I need not write. T.S.A. of cuboid is this formula. This is called THF to cuboid, that is T.S.A. total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LH into BH into LB. These are the two formulae which we are going to use in solving the problems in this chapter, children. L.S.A. of cuboid 2H into L plus B. T.S.A. of cuboid is 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. So please note it down. We'll go to the other topic. Now let us talk about surface area of a cube. What is this cube, children? Cube is a figure which has got same length, same breadth and same height. So it is like this. It is A units, this is also A units, this is also A units. So this is about a cuboid. So same length, breadth and height if you have a cuboid. See, it's like this. A cube. So if you see it, same length, same breadth, same height. If you have a figure just like this, that is with your dice also you can take as an example, children, where length, breadth and height are same, are called as cubes. So in this cube, just like how we have done in cuboid, we have to talk about lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means we have to talk about area of this, area of this, area of this, and area of this. These four figures, four sides area we should talk about. So, what is this, children? This is looking like a square. In this square, see, this is A, this is A. Same height, children. If you measure, it is same. Same measure is there here. So, it is area. This is having same sides. So, it's a square. Square area is side into side. That is A square. So, A square plus A square plus A square plus A square. You are getting four times, four surfaces are there. A square plus A square plus A square plus A square. Each side you are talking about. This is nothing but 4A square is LSA. LSA of cube is equal to 4A square. Now, LSA in the sense lateral surface area. Now, we will be talking about TSA. TSA is total surface area. It is nothing but lateral surface area plus twice area of base. This is the basic property that we are using. Lateral surface area is 4A square and area of base. So even this base and the top, these are also having same length, breadth and height. So this is also a square, this is also a square. So A square plus A square, that means 2A square, 4A square plus 2A square. Area of base is A square. So this is 6A square. Therefore, TSA of cube is equal to 6A square. So these are the formulae which you should learn perfectly well, children. LSA of cube, LSA of cuboid, TSA of cube, TSA of cuboid. If you know this formulae, then only you can solve the problem, children. Please note it down. Now do this sums, children. In this, do this sum. Find total surface area and lateral surface area of cube with side 4 centimeters. So by using the same formula which you have done, side is 4 centimeters. It is given. What does this implies? A is equal to 4 centimeters. So, what is total surface? First, we will be talking about lateral surface area, then we will be talking about total surface area. So, what is lateral surface area? 4A square, 4 into 4 square, 4 into 16, 64. Therefore, lateral surface area is equal to 64 square centimeters. This is the answer for lateral surface area. Now we have to go for total surface area, TSA. TSA is equal to 6A square. That is 6 into, what is that? 4 square. That is 6 into 16. How much? 16 6 are 96. So TSA is equal to 96 square centimeters. This is one more answer, children. So it is in this way you need to solve these problems by using the formula. Now, second problem of do this, children. Each edge of a cube is increased by 50%. Find the percentage in increase in the surface area. So in this case, we will take surface area as a total surface area and they have not given any measure of the side. So let the side of the cube is equal to x centimeters. If it is x centimeters, what is its TSA? Its total surface area is equal to 6x square. This is the formula, total surface area. So its also total surface area is 6x square. Then each side is each edge of the cube. Edge means side. Each side or each edge is increased by 50%. Therefore, what is the increased size? Increased edge, I can say. Increased edge is original edge plus 50% of original x. That means x plus 50% means 50 by 100 of into x. So this will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 twos are x plus x by 2. That means how much you are getting? 2 is the LCM. 2x plus x, that is 3x by 2 centimeters is the side of each side. Each side measure is 3x by 2. So what you need? First now, how much is the, find the percentage of increase in surface area. So first we have to write what is TSA. TSA is nothing but 6 into 3x by 2 whole square. That means how much are you getting? 6 into 9x square by 4. 2 2s are, 2 3s are. I will be getting, that is how much? 27 by 2 x square. 27 by 2 x square is the TSA, square centimeters. Writing units is very important, children. Now, what is increased TSA? How much is increased? So, what is the original one is 6x square. So, for this, that area is increased. So, bigger value is this. So, 27x square by 2 minus 6x square. So, how will you calculate here, children? 2 27x square minus 2 6 are 12x square. So how much are you getting, children? 15x square by 2 is increased TSA. Now we want percentage of increase. This is what they are asking. Percentage of increase. Means what, children? How do you calculate? See, for 6x square area, what is increase? 15x square by 2. So, percentage means for 100, how much is the increase? This is the step, children, that you need to use. This will be the easiest way of learning this problem. So, percentage you want means you have to write like this. So, how much you are getting? 100 into 15x square by 2 divided by 6x square means into 1 by 6x square you will be getting. Actually, this value into this divided by this, but already this is in p by q form. So the next one becomes reciprocal of it. So x square will get cancelled. 2 3s are 2 5s are 0, 3 1s are 3 5s are 2 1s are 2 25s are. So how much? 25 into 5. That is 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 125%. So the question is, find the percentage of increased surface area. Percentage of increased surface area is equal to 125%. This is the answer, children. Please note it down. This is the second problem of do this sum. Now the next part which you need to find out is volume. Volume means nothing but capacity. Volume means capacity. So volume of, let us talk about volume of cuboid. Actually, the general formula of a volume is nothing but area of base into height. This is the formula, children. If you want to know what is the volume, that means the inner capacity, means suppose you are pouring water, how much water it can hold. If it is a box, if it is a tank, suppose you think about tank, how much water it can hold. Or if it is a container, how much milk or oil, whatever it is, it can hold. We call it as volume of the thing. That means the inner space we are talking about. So if you are talking about inner space, the formula that we are using for it is area of base, this base area into height. This is the general formula for volume, for finding volume of any figure. See, base can be a rectangle, base can be a triangle, base can be a circle, base can be in any shape of the triangle, it can be a square, whatever it is. So general formula, if you remember, that a volume you can find out by using the formula area of base into height. That will give you a very clear cut formula for the whatever is the shape that is given to your children. Now we are going to talk about cuboid. So volume of a cuboid means it has got base and it has got height. So volume is nothing but area of the base into height. Height is h, base is in the form of a rectangle. So what is it, children? Volume of cuboid, area of base. Let me write this also. Area of base into height. So what is area of base? L into B into height is h. So LBH is volume of cuboid. Usually its values are taken as cubic meters or cubic units. I will write here because we don't know. According to the problem, you have to write. So cubic units, you have to write. This is the units of this volume, children. Cubic centimeters if it is centimeter, cubic meters if it is in meters. If it is in feet, whatever is the unit that the problem is having, the cubic of that. This is volume. So if it is surface areas, you are writing square centimeters, square meters. Units are very important, children, in this topic. Under these are all in 10th class, you will get it in the under the name of mensuration. Whatever it is, the units are very, very important. 1 mark is allotted in 10th class for writing units. If you are not writing unit, just write answer and leave it. 1 mark will go. You feel that I have done perfectly well the problem, I'll get full marks. But when you see the result, the marks are less. Why do you get that less marks? Because of these minute things which you neglect at the time of examination. So please be careful. Units are very important. So develop a habit of writing units right from the beginning. Then you won't find any difficulty in writing in your higher classes. So here volume of cuboid is LBH. Now we will be talking about volume of cube. Again, here also the same formula, area of base into height. Very easily you can develop the formula, children. Area of a base, cube is in the form of a square everywhere. So it is a square into height is a, that is a cube cubic units. This is the volume of cube. Volume of cuboid LBH, volume of cube A cube. So these are the formulae which you should remember, children. Now let us see, do this sums, children. In this do this sum, the first question is find the volume of cuboid where length is 12 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters, height is 8 centimeters. So volume of cuboid formula is L into B into H. What is the length they have given? length is 12 centimeters and breadth is 10 centimeters, height is 8 centimeters. So therefore volume is equal to 12 into 10 into 8. That is 12 8 are 96 into 10, 960 cubic centimeters unit, because every value, this is the answer, every length is same. Remember one more thing, children, in some problems here the units may differ. First thing you should find out when this kind of problems are given, are the units same? If units are not same, first thing is you have to make the units as same. But luckily in this problem all are in centimeters only. So I need not do anything. Directly I have taken the numbers and multiplied. Since units are in centimeters, I have written 960 cubic centimeters is the answer for this problem. Now, when you go to the second one, find the volume of the cube if its edge is 10 centimeters. So, what is the formula for volume of cube? Volume of cube is A cube. A is given as 10 centimeters. Therefore, what is the volume? Volume is 10 cube. That is 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros, no? 10 cube. 10 into 10 into 10. 10 cube means 1000 cubic centimeters is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Let us see third problem of do this sum, children. Find the volume of an isosceles right-angled triangle prism. This is a prism. A prism will be having base as two triangles and lateral surfaces are parallelograms. So let just I will show you this figure, children. See the base. This is, see, two sides are triangles. This side is one triangle, this side is one triangle. And it has got three sides which are parallelograms. This is one parallelogram and inside it will be another parallelogram. Base is one parallelogram. So you can consider this shape as a prism. So here you have got a prism with base right triangle. This is 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and this is considered as height. So volume of prism formula, volume is nothing but area of base into height. So let us find out first what is area of base. Area of base is in the form of right angle triangle. So when I draw a right angle triangle here, it is, let me consider A, B, C. This is 90 degrees, this is 5 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters. If these are 5 centimeters, then area of this triangle is nothing but half base into height. Area formula, half base into height you will be getting. So here there are other formulae also, children. If you have an isosceles triangle, root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c you have learned. And if it is a right angle triangle where hypotenuse is given hypo square by 4. So according to the problem given to us, we need to use the formula. So in this we have got base and height of the right triangle. So half base into height we will be taking. So area of the base is half base into height. So this is half into base is 5 centimeters, height is also 5 centimeters. So how much am I getting to this, children? Half 25 by 2. Okay, now area volume we are going to talk about. So volume of, therefore volume of prism is equal to 25 by 2 area of base into height. Height is 8. Area of base I have taken, children, Height I am not taking. So first I have got area of base 25 by 2. Height is 8. So 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 25 fours are is 100. Therefore, volume of prism is equal to 100 cubic centimeters is the answer for this problem, children. I hope I am clear to you. First I wrote volume formula, and then what is area of base, in which way shape the base is there, that I have found out. Then I found out volume of the prism. Please understand this, children. Write it down. With this I am going to conclude my topic today. In the next class I will be doing the next part.